There is no recipe for success. There is nothing of this sort. If you want to do something, you'll put everything into it and you'll make it happen.
A beautiful day with a beautiful girl, Dr. Kanza Altaf. She's co-founder of Parisa Couture. Ji Kanza, welcome to One on One Incredible.
Thank you so much. Lovely to be here.
Kanza, आज की conversation हम start करेंगे with your personal profile.
Okay. My name is Dr. Kanza Altaf. I'm basically from Lahore. I'm an MBBS doctor, currently doing my residency in radiology, and I have started this new brand that I'm going to be working on.
Kanza, जब हम पारिसा के सुनते हैं, so you know, initially you are a doctor.
Yes.
And still you're practicing as a doctor.
Yes.
All right, and you're doing your specialization too.
Yes.
So the journey from a doctor to fashion designer.
I belong to a household where education has always been promoted. My nanny was an MSc English Literature back in the times when women education was probably not really that supported. So my family has always said that education first and then you can do whatever you want to. So my education has always been my first passion, and I think a person can have multiple interests, multiple things that they want to do in life. I am done with one part of my life, that is being a doctor, and I'm moving on to the next part and working towards it.
So it's great to hear, Kanza, that you're such a multitasking person, that education is the first and then, you know, your passion which you're working at the moment. So where did you get this inspiration of creating your own designs?
I think our biggest inspiration has always been our mother. I think there comes a time in your life when you have to follow what your heart is saying. It doesn't matter what age you are at or what point in life you are at, but for once you have to follow your heart. So that's what we are doing.
So Kanza, today you're wearing a beautiful dress, and I'm sure about it, this is from Parisa.
Yeah, it is, it is.
So where did you taken this name of Parisa?
Parisa means Pari Jaisi, and it happens to be the name of my daughter too. So this is going to be the bottom line of our brand, Pari Jaisi. All the dresses that we are creating, this is going to be the bottom line of it.
So dear women, if you're going to wear Parisa, so you're not less than looking fairies, okay? So make sure, so Parisa stands for Pari. So please come and see Parisa. Can we share your contact information here?
I think the best option right now is online shopping. I think people don't want to go out, get corona, bring it back home. So we are dealing online at the moment. We are on Facebook by the name of Parisa Couture, and on Instagram by the same name, Parisa Couture.
Well, Kanza, what are your favorite trends in fashion, past and present?
I think whatever you're comfortable in wearing is a trend. Something you're not comfortable in wearing, you won't be able to carry it off no matter how trendy it is at the moment. So I think you have to be comfortable, whatever it is, whether it's a lehenga or a garara or anything that you wear. Be comfortable in it, it will become a trend.
Well, Kanza, as you're a doctor and now you're into fashion industry too, and there's a huge competition in fashion industry. It's not easy to cope up with the new trends and all that. So what is unique selling point of Parisa?
I think that whatever we make, all the clients we meet, there is a specific story behind everyone. We basically cater to whatever they are saying, however they want it, and we craft it into a dress of their liking. I think that's unique about us.
Well, Kanza, abhi hum kuch out of the box questions kar lete hain. Since you're a mother, since you're a daughter-in-law, you're a daughter, and you're a doctor, which is a very, you know, responsible profession, I would say.
Yes.
And now you're a designer too. So do you have some magic to manage the time?
I think there is no magic to doing whatever you want to do. If you want to do something, you'll make it happen. There is no recipe for success. There is nothing of this sort. If you want to do something, you'll put everything into it and you'll make it happen.
Who inspired you the most in fashion industry?
Internationally speaking, Zuhair Murad has always been an inspiration for me. Their dresses, everything they do. If speaking nationally, I think Elan would be my favorite. Their grandeur, the way they make their dresses, the intricate work, everything, it impresses me a lot.
Well, Kanza, how do you manage criticism? Did you ever get some criticism?
Farzana, I take criticism very positively. It helps you grow, it helps you flourish. If I'm making something, it's not necessary that everyone is going to like it. Everybody has their own choices, their own sense of styling, so it's okay. it's okay. I wouldn't mind being criticized. It will mean that I'm actually doing something that is reaching out to people and people are able to comment on it. So I take it very positively.
वेल कंजा, आप बहुत खूबसूरत काम कर रही हैं। मैं यहाँ ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि क्या ऐसी चीज़ है लाइफ में जो कंजा को खुशियाँ देती है?
आई थिंक लाइफ में एक गोल होना, एक मिशन होना, एक एम्बिशन होना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स अचीविंग इट इज़ आई थिंक व्हाट विल मेक मी हैप्पी।
कंजा, एट द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क कि आप यूथ को कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगी आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म से?
I think never stop dreaming, never stop believing in yourself. Everybody has it in them to make something happen. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter if people believe in you. What matters is you believe in yourself.
Thank you very much, Kanza. It was a beautiful conversation and we are quite honored that you graced this platform today.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. It was lovely being here. I'm looking forward to working with all of you, creating something for all the women around, making people happy.